All right, Chef Olive, this is Kitchen on Fire, and I'm going to show you a very, very quick way to make a beautiful cheese plate. Not something fancy. This is what I do for before my class, and I'm going to show you how to do a very quick one, not nothing fancy, but something that's pretty, looks good, and efficient. All right, so here we go. I'm going to show you right here. Where should I go? Let's go here. See? All right. So I got you a log of goat, which I'm going to make pretty. So I got a brie, manchego, some beautiful salami. Right? This is Framani. This is local, uh, not the right bag. And this is Italia, Creminelli. So those are beautiful stuff, absolutely excellent. Um, and I'm going to show you how to prepare all this. Okay, so I have a knife, I have a couple of herbs, and a smoked paprika. So the reason why I'm going to do that, I want to show you how to make something simple. Remember, simple. I don't like those things with super fancy. It's too much. I need to do that every day. I do that basically twice a day. So let's start. So for the presentation, whatever, any pretty plate. I chose black today. Sometimes it's white. It doesn't matter. I can put nuts with it or just dried fruit. That's it. Nothing fancy. And then bread. I usually get sourdough and then gluten-free crackers in case some people are gluten-free. And that's it. We're done with that. So let me just get rid of this. Okay, cool. All right. So let's start with the goat. All right, goat cheese. Beautiful stuff. I have cleaned my knife and actually I'm gonna get a wet towel. Okay. I'm gonna show you two things with that goat cheese. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna split it in two. Okay. Don't be afraid to put your hands in there. We're gonna reshape it. So I have to go ahead and reshape it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it in two. I'm gonna show you two different ways I'm gonna serve that goat cheese. So one, we're gonna leave it right here for now. And this I'm gonna reshape. See, it's all messed up. So let's make it pretty. So just go in your hand. You can shape it the way you want. You can make a square or keep it round. Okay. But make sure it's compact and the shape is back. And I'm going to put them in the same tray. Okay. So for this, done, one done. Okay. The other one is pretty cool already. I don't need to do much. Make it kind of even and pretty. Great. Okay. That looks good. Okay. And I need to wash my hand and I'll be back. All right. One of my main things I like to do with cheese is work with olive oil. So I have olive oil right here. It's a really good olive oil. And I'm going to start working on it. So I'm going to clean that because now it's time to make that plate clean. So I'm getting some more plates. I'm going to show you how to do one. So one is going to be a smoked paprika flavored goat cheese. So I get that on the plate. Smoked paprika, not spicy and not cayenne. You can't eat that. You can do with black pepper also. Let's stick to that. So I'm going to go like this and I'm going to put that just like that. See? So you can do top and bottom. You can go everywhere, right? So if it's round, if you like it round, just round the corners. Okay. You can leave that white so they can see it's goat cheese or not. You can completely cover it if you want. You see? Cool. Great. Et voila. So one done. Right? Number two. Let's do a different one. So goat cheese. I'm gonna do French style with the other one. I'm gonna get a little bit of time here. And I'm gonna take some of the lead. Just a little bit. I just need like a little bit of time. A little bit of parsley. All right. So Let's get the thyme. I don't need a lot. I just need a little bit, okay? Let's keep only the pretty leaves, and I'm going to do a little parsley. Just because I love herbs, I think herbs are just fantastic. And great. Look at that. Okay. Little bit of parsley. Just like that. Just a little bit. Okay. So you see what's happening here? I have a little bit of thyme and parsley. I'm going to chop together. This is parsley and thyme. And I do that a lot, especially when I do feta and I'm going to add some olive oil. You see, it's going to be really cool. Look at that. Gentle. Don't destroy the herbs, okay? So now it's beautiful stuff. Smells really good. All right, that's it. Next, get my olive oil. And let's start the process here, the same process I did earlier. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take some olive oil right now. Okay. That olive oil is going to go, before the herbs go in, I'm going to put directly onto the plate. Just like that. Okay. More olive oil, busy. More. Yes. And now, cool. Beautiful. Cool. One done. One of the plate is done. Now we're going to clean that. And we're done. So here we go. Boom. Boom. Okay. One. Pretty cool, huh? All right. That's one. Now, I don't need the herbs anymore. But I do something else. Let's do some brie. For the brie, I got a French brie. This is from Mo. Beautiful stuff. Okay. So when I serve brie in a party, I've noticed that in the US, people go and eat inside. They leave the crust. Well, so how to avoid that? Let me show you. I'm going to cut the rim so you can see what's going on. You see that? I'm going to remove that. So the way I'm going to do is I'm going to take that. I'm going to take just like that. Okay. Now the cheese is accessible everywhere. Now, even if you want to make sure that they don't dig in there, what I would do is this. So now they don't have any choice but eat that thing. That's all. Simple. It's clean, right? I don't need to put anything on there. Maybe I'll put some walnuts and I'm going to put some manchego. And basically, that's it. That's all. Cool. Clean the knife every time. See, this is my damp towel. Make sure it's all cleaned up. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of manchego. So you see, I do three cheeses. Okay. For the manchego, let me show you the cut. All right. I'm going to go on the top right here. I'm going to cut a small section like this, you see? So from that, I'm going to get a lot of triangles. So when you go with cheese, guys, go easy. So the way to do is slowly. Don't push too hard. Just go easy, go slow. That's it. Look at that. Now, all I need to do is remove all the stuff that people are not supposed to eat. I'll do that for them. And next, I like to remove that part also. I like to remove that part. You can leave it if you want to. So a lot of people serve it like this and then you hold it, but I like to remove everything so you just eat the whole thing. Just go and just like that, right? Clean that. Now, when you clean the cheese like that, there's a name for it. It's called facing the cheese. So a lot of time in restaurant, we have a bunch of cheese and it goes bad a little bit, right? It doesn't go bad. It just have to be cleaned. So that's called facing the cheese. So at this point, I'm going to make, all right, cool. That's the size I want, all of them. So I'm going to put it like this because I have more power on that side, see? And I'm going to go right on top and boom. All right. See? Try to keep your knife straight. All right. Okay. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Keep them nice and pretty. Okay, that's the whole point, is keeping stuff very pretty. Okay. So if it's breaking at the end, let's try to keep it. All right. Don't go too fast. There's no point of going fast. No point going fast. What's going to happen is if you go too fast, it's just going to mess up the step. You have to go back to it. So let's just do one time, slow, good. And then the last one is going to be a little bit tough, but here we go. Slow, slow, slow. Boom. All right. So now I can click that brie plate and I try to fit everything in there. So I'm going to move that. And this, I can put it like this if I want to. All right. Let's see. This, for me, broken. I'll eat it. Now, okay, great. All right, cool. Done. One more. If I want to, I can also do this. Let's put some more nuts in there. I put some more nuts. You can put dried fruits also. It looks good, but this is done. So I have two done. Simple, huh? You guys remember, this is not like crazy stuff. You can always add. The thing is, if you add too much stuff, it looks a little bit too much. But it's better to buy better quality cheese instead of buying tons of stuff that really don't fit in there. Like fruits. Personally, fruits is tough for me, but lots of people like fruits. So I like apples. Great. I can do apple, pears. That's okay. That's okay. I don't like fruits with my food, but that's now. Let's do prosciutto and salami. So how are we going to present that? Well, it's pretty simple. Huh? What you can do. This is a really good charcuterie. Let's see. I can do. Let's do a rose. So I'm going to start and go around. You see what I'm doing? Pretty cool. Keep going like this. And then I'm going to put some more stuff on the other side. It's going to be beautiful. Look at that. Professional over there. Great. See, it's cute, right? Take your time. No need to rush. You can do all kind of shapes, obviously, right? I'm just trying to keep it. So I detached all of them. It's easier for people to grab. Okay. Look at that. Cool. And let's put a little bit of copa. Why not? Love copa. So for the copa is thinner. It's beautiful stuff. Look at that. It's a loin. This is really cool. So this is again. Let's do another design here. Yeah. Cool. Oh yeah, this is great. Whoa. Pretty cool. Done. Look at that. Impeccable. Perfect. See? I got my stuff done. So this is for my class tonight. I have my goat cheese. I have my cheese assortment here. and this guy. Great. Now, this is literally how you make a little cheese plate. Now, that was fast. That was fast. Nothing, nothing fancy. Okay. What it means is this is a very simple and very easy. It took 5 minutes, maybe 5, 10, whatever. So it's pretty quick, right? Remember, it's better to buy good stuff and get those on the plate with really high quality. Simple is better. And I'm going to put some crackers and bread. You can put fruits also. I'm not against fruit. I just don't eat them. You can put a little bit of strawberries, apples and pear works really good. Almonds, uh, walnuts, all this stuff. Now, if you have people that don't eat bread, you can also do cucumber slices. That's great. You can also serve more nuts and then less bread because it's a better combination anyway. So nuts and cheese is really really good. Bread and cheese is good. It's just there's too much bread. So this is it for my cheese plate. I'll show you how to do another fancy one another time. But right now, this is an easy one, quick, 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 and something you all can do. And then when you upgrade, you can do more stuff. I'll show you that. I'm going to make a whole video on how to make a beautiful charcuterie and cheese plate, like for when you have an event and you have people over and you want to do something crazy beautiful. Then we'll do a whole video on that. All right.